Hello, good morning students. Nasa module 3 na tayo. So, ayun nga, i-discuss natin kung ano nga ba yung foundation and requirement for morality. So, let's first define ano nga ba yung morality. So, morality refers to the system of beliefs and values that ensures that individuals will keep their obligations to others in the society and behave in ways that do not interfere with the rights and interests of others. So in simple terms, morality serves as a guide to us. Kumbaga, in order for us to act accordingly to what is right or wrong. So to act accordingly sa kung ano nga ba yung good and also yung sa bad. So morality has to do with the way we live our lives and help us to judge the difference between right or wrong. So similar din lang siya dun sa konsepto ng ethics, which they both deals with the concept of right and wrong, of what is right, of what is good and bad. So saan nga ba nagsisimula yung moralidad natin o yung morality natin? So it actually starts from the home and family. The home and family plays an important part in influencing our moral outlook, since um, yung tahanan natin is yung our immediate environment. So sila yung unang magtuturo sa atin ng yung sa mga bagay na tama o mali. Kumbaga para siyang ganun. Kumbaga nanggagaling mismo ah, yung mga learnings, nanggagaling siya mismo dun sa parents natin. So for example na nga lang, as children, we learn that it is good to share our toys, to tell the truth and not to hit other children. So second is the friends and peers. So yung mga kaibigan natin sa kung ano nga ba yung mga nakakasalamuha nating tao can also influence us in our perspectives when it comes to morality. So as we grow older, we begin to influence by others outside the home. So yun nga, yung mga barkada, sabihin natin yung mga nakikilala mo. Going to school, making friends and mixing with other children, our own age, meant we encounter different types of values. So yun nga. So different individuals have these different values then. They do have these different behaviors that can influence us in developing our morality. So therefore, it can be said that our friends and peers also plays an important role in influencing our moral outlook. So yun nga. Sa kung ano yung paniniwala ng kaibigan mo, sa kung ano nga ba yung paniniwala ng barkada mo, pwede mo siyang ma-adapt. Kasi nga, there is this direct na influence sa'yo. So religion and church also can influence our moral outlook. So people's moral outlook is strongly influenced by the religion in which they have been brought up. So for example na nga lang sa kung ano nga ba yung mga tinuturo sa sabi natin sa religious groups nyo, 'di ba? Yung sinasabi nila na for example na nga lang yung the Ten Commandments, which is tinuturo sa simbahang Katoliko. So yun. Many young people to go to schools with the religious ethos where they were educated in their faith. So yun nga yung mga ah, church services din na makita natin sa schools can also influence our moral outlook. Kumbaga, they can play an important role din dun sa, yun nga, in our perspectives, in our learning sa kung ano nga ba yung tama at mali. So, number four is society and the state. Kumbaga, yung sa kung ano nga ba yung kinalakihan nating kultura can actually influence us din in our moral outlook. So, kung ano nga ba yung sa tingin natin na tama at mali. So the state plays an important role in deciding our moral outlook. The state passes the law of the country. So kung ano nga ba yung mga kinalakayan nating mga rules, mga batas, can actually uh, plays an important role dun sa tingin natin sa kung ano nga ba yung tama at mali. Like for example na nga lang sa batas, di ba? Sinasabi dun na yung about sa murder. So, pwede natin siyang i-adapt mismo sa sarili natin. So, pwede natin sabihin na murder is immoral way, is an immoral act. So, para siyang ganun. So our society can actually influence us. So, emotions are also part ng various factors that can influence us. So emotions, we can be influenced by our emotions to behave in certain ways. Like for example na lang, nakakaramdam ka ng galit. So yung galit na yon is actually uh, can uh, ano tawag dito? Can influence you to act in a certain way. This can be a positive impact on us in situations where we are moved by sympathy or compassion to help somebody indeed. So yun nga, nakakaramdam din tayo ng care to other people, which is what we so-called sympathy or compassion. Kumbaga, it leads us to act in a certain way. Sa kumbaga, yung altruistic behavior, if you're familiar with that, kumbaga nga, tinutulungan mo yung isang tao without expecting in return. So, para siyang ganun. Kumbaga, our emotions, our positive emotions can actually impact din yung magiging behavior natin. So emotions can also provide us with negative outcomes when are driven by anger or hatred when responding to a certain situation. So yun nga sabi ko kanina, kapag galit ka or you have this feeling of hate, kumbaga it will also influence your magiging actions mo, kung ano nga ba yung magiging decisions mo. So lastly, we will be discussing yung difference between yung ethics and morality. So kanina nga nadidiscuss ko yung similarities nila. So they both deal with what is right or wrong, with the concept of what is right or wrong, of what is good or bad. So similar lang sila dito when it comes to this. Yan. Deals with what is right and wrong. So sa ethics, unahin muna natin. Is generally considered standard. Kumbaga, para siyang universal now, considered standard kasi siya of what is good and what is right and what is right or wrong that are imposed by society, culture, or profession. So, kumbaga external siya, kumbaga nanggagaling siya outside. Kumbaga, yun lang yung ina-adapt natin within ourselves. So, kumbaga, like for examples, in our society, ano nga ba yung mga standards na kinoconsider nating mabuti? Like for example, yung helping other people is actually considered as a moral act. So kung ano nga ba yung culture, also the profession din. So lahat tayo in our profession in psychology, mayroon din kaming code of ethics na sinusunod in order for us to act sa kung ano nga ba yung dapat gawin. So I believe in your hospitality management profession, meron din kayong sariling code of ethics, which is hindi lang ako aware. But I'm pretty sure naman na meron din kayong sariling code of ethics na sinusunod. So rules provided by an external. So sinasabi ko nga dito, galing siya, kumbaga it is imposed by outside forces. It could be rules, it could be yung culture natin yung magdidikta ng sa kung ano nga ba yung tama at mali. So, in ethics, it says that killing is wrong because it violates the basic ethical principle of respect for persons and non-manifestants. So, ito yung standard natin kapag uh, when we do something. Kumbaga, ito yung parang mag-serve as a guide in order for us to act what is accordingly right or what is accordingly wrong. So, kumbaga, sa ethics, kumbaga, we have this standardized rules na kung saan ito yung pinagbabasehan natin sa kung ano nga ba yung mali at sa kung ano nga ba yung tama. So, in morality naman, so morality deals with the concept of what is right or wrong, good or bad. So, similar siya dun sa idea dito sa ethics. So, one's own personal sense of right and wrong, good and bad, kumbaga nasa sayo mismo, kumbaga subjective siya when it comes to morality. Sa kung ano nga ba yung sa tingin mong tama at mali, kumbaga nasa sayo. Kumbaga hindi ka nagbe-base sa kung ano nga ba yung sinasabi ng law, sa kung hindi ka rin nagbe-base sa kung ano nga ba yung sinasabi ng ibang tao na sa kung ano yung tama at mali. It is not imposed by outside forces. Kumbaga nanggagaling talaga sayo. Kumbaga when it comes to morality, kumbaga nanggagaling sayo yung ano sa tingin mo ang tama. Like for example, para sa iyo mali yung pagko-cause ng harm. Kumbaga subjective siya. Kumbaga nagagaling talaga sa iyo. Kumbaga hindi siya nanggagaling sa kung ano nga ba yung sinasabi sa iyo. So when it comes sa ethics naman, pwede nating sabihin na killing is bad because ito yung sinasabi ng culture natin, ito yung sinasabi ng norms, ito yung sinasabi ng rules. So you see the difference between ethics and morality is that yung ethics talaga is we have this standard na kung saan yun yung sinusunod natin. It's either galing siya sa culture natin, sa law mismo. So morality says that do not kill because it is wrong. So it is your individual's own perception. So yun lang, iti discussion tayo sa module 1 to 3. So if ever na natapos mo na tong video, I will be giving 10 points. Sabi natin 10 points dun sa unang makakatapos nung recorded videos na to. So once na natapos ka na sa video, i-PM mo na ako or send me a direct message sa Messenger para mai-record ko na may plus 10 ka. So isa lang yung makakakuha ng plus 10. So paunahan siya. So wag mo din siyang i-share doon sa other class mismo. Basta ikaw, once na natapos ka na, you can send me a DM sa Messenger. So yun lang. Have a safe day.